Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire, your go-to spot for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into a crucial engine component, the camshaft position sensor. We'll break down what it does, how it works, and what to do if it goes bad. Let's get started. Camshaft position sensor is any electronic device that monitors the camshaft position and speed, which helps engine control systems to calculate the ignition point and injection point. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover, near the top of the engine, or the front or rear of the cylinder head. A faulty camshaft position sensor will leave you unable to start the car, cause the engine to backfire, and result in bad fuel mileage. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the camshaft position sensor related error codes. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with the test on the camshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific camshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole, then replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. Always buy quality replacement parts. Use a code reader to clear any stored error codes after the repair. If you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive how-tos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.